Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy, and in this video today I will be explaining about calculation view. Basically I will be explaining about each node of calculation view. The nodes like join, union, projection, aggregation and rank. So these nodes are the basic building block while using in calculation view. So let me start with rank first. So what is rank? When you have unstructured data, I mean if there is no numbering in the data in your base table, using rank you can choose selective data based on ascending or descending and with partition by field. So you can see the image in this slide. You can see you can make descending of any field, and similarly you can make partition. So it's actually similar to the SQL syntax we have, like rank over partition by and order. So it is just simply it gives you a data with order. So after that you can make projection, and after that you can do further data model. So now I will move to the next one, that is projection. So this slide explains briefly about projection. You can see, suppose you have a table here, dim customer, and from this table you can choose the fields like customer ID, company name, city name and net sales. You can choose those data, I mean columns, into your output table. So here using projection you can select the fields you want. You can add filter or any filter. Yeah, that's very important part is here, that you can make filter on any column. So you can see the right hand side the expression here. By this you can make filter on this, like equal to or not equal to, greater than, less than, like that. And also you can make calculated columns as well. You can see the right hand side there's an option called calculated columns. So by this also you can make extra column. Those are not available in the base table, but you can make here, and you can make, and after that you can use it to further data model. And now I will move to joins, and the basic requirement is you need two nodes for joins, like I have showed here. Like I have two projections and I'm joining it here, and one thing to remember that we have multiple joins type, like we have inner join, left outer, route outer, full outer, referential and text join. So whatever join you want you can do. And here in this slide I have showed you that customer ID from projection 1 and customer ID from projection 2 is joined, and that's actually inner join. And here as well you can select the fields you want in your output columns. So I hope you understanding this. Yeah. And now I'm moving to union. What is actually union? Using union you can join common fields of multiple tables, but yeah, it's unlike joins. You have two nodes, but actually I mean you can, like in the join, you can use two tables, but here in union you can have multiple tables. Like whenever there is any requirement, like you have 10 tables for 10 different company code, then you need to pick up all common set of fields. In that case you have to use union as an option. Suppose here in this slide you can see in this picture, left hand side you have source and right hand side you have target. It means in the source, suppose you have 10 tables, and you can drag the common fields into the target structure. So in this way you can use union. And now I'm moving to aggregation. So aggregation, actually when you have a field like net sales or any other field, you like to show the max, mean or sum, then you can use aggregation. So I mean suppose you have the field like net sales here, you need to show the max value for the corresponding company code and customer ID. So in that case, you can select net sales as aggregated column, and then you can put max in the property. So by this you can use aggregation. It means whenever there is a field that you need to show the sum of the field or max of this field or minimum of the field, then you can use aggregation. Now I'm coming to, that's ends the video. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.